right, so have you ever been on like a trip and you've got your big fluffy towel and it's just a pain to pack?
Oh, yeah. I know exactly what you mean.
Like you're trying to stuff it in your backpack or your suitcase and it takes up like half the space?
And it's so heavy.
Right. And then if you actually use it, it takes forever to dry.
Ugh. Yeah. And then it's all mildewy and gross.
So that's what we're diving into today. Travel towels.
Oh, cool.
Specifically, the Rainleaf Microfiber Towel.
Okay.
We've got a podcast script and a YouTube description all about it. And they're claiming that this thing is like the holy grail of travel towels.
Oh, can I get it?
So we're going to see if it lives up to the hype or if it's all just marketing.
Awesome. I'm ready to dive in.
Me too.
Yeah.
So let's start with the problem. Traditional towels, they're bulky, they take forever to dry, they're not exactly ideal for travel.
Definitely not. I've always just used like a regular bath towel, but it's definitely not the best.
Yeah, and that's where the Rainleaf Microfiber Towel comes in.
Okay.
They say it has quick dry technology.
I've seen that term thrown around a lot. What does that actually mean?
Yeah, like how quick are we talking here?
Right.
Well, according to the sources we have, they're saying it dries up to 10 times faster than a regular cotton towel.
Wow. 10 times. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, so you could like wash it at night and by morning it's dry and ready to go.
That would be a game changer, especially if you're like camping or something.
Definitely.
Yeah.
But here's my concern. Are they absorbent?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering too. Like those microfiber cloths you use to clean, they don't really absorb that much.
Right, exactly. So can a travel towel actually get you dry?
Good question.
Well, from what I've read, they say the microfiber material is made from these super fine fibers, so it actually creates way more surface area than a typical towel.
Oh, I see.
So more surface area means it can hold more water.
That makes sense.
And the other thing they talk about a lot is this antimicrobial protection.
Okay.
So it's supposed to like resist bacteria and mildew.
Well, that's good, especially if you're traveling in a humid place.
It's exactly like Southeast Asia or something.
Yeah, no one wants a smelly towel.
No,
No.
definitely not.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know it dries fast, it absorbs well, and it stays fresh. But the real question is, how compact is it?
Yeah, because if it's still bulky, it kind of defeats the purpose.
Right. Like, will it actually fit in a backpack?
Yeah.
Well, it seems like it will. They say it folds down to about the size of a paperback book.
Really? That's pretty small.
Yeah, and they include a carry bag, too, so you can keep it separate from your other stuff.
Oh, that's handy.
Yeah, so I think it would definitely fit in a backpack.
Cool.
And you know what else is cool?
What?
They have multiple sizes.
Oh, that's smart.
So you can get like a small one for your face or a big one for your whole body.
Yeah, that makes sense. Sometimes you just need a little towel.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And they come in different colors, too.
Oh, fun.
But it's not just about looks.
Really?
A bright colored towel is easier to spot in your bag, and if you drop it on the beach, it won't blend in with the sand.
That's so true. I've lost so many things on the beach because they were the same color as the sand.
Oh, I've been there. And get this, they also have a hanging loop.
A hanging loop.
Yeah, so you can hang it up to dry.
Oh, yeah, that is really useful.
Especially when you're traveling, you don't always have a good place to lay a towel flat.
Yeah, I've used my fair share of doorknobs and shower rods.
Exactly. So that little loop is actually pretty handy.
Totally. But, I think a lot of people are hesitant about microfiber towels.
Yeah.
They're worried about the feel.
Like, is it actually soft?
Yeah, and does it really absorb well?
Well, they describe it as soft and comfortable.
I guess you'd have to try it to know for sure.
Yeah, I mean, it's probably not going to be like your super fluffy bath towel, but it's probably not bad either.
Why?
Plus, the benefits might outweigh any kind of texture differences.
I think so too.
So think about it. Imagine you're at the beach.
Okay.
No more sandy, wet towels.
That would be amazing.
You could dry off between swims. The sand would just brush right off.
Yeah, and it wouldn't take up your whole beach bag.
Exactly. And think about hiking.
Okay.
You could wipe off sweat, dry off after a rain shower, and it's so lightweight you wouldn't even notice it in your pack.
That's true.
And then there's the gym. Camping trips, you could even keep one in your everyday bag just in case.
Wow, it really is versatile.
It is. But what about taking care of it? How do you keep it clean and make it last?
Good question. I'd want to know that too.
Well, it seems pretty easy. They say to wash it regularly with mild detergent.
Okay.
Air drying is best, but you can also use a low heat setting in the dryer.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah, and the most important thing is no fabric softener.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it can coat the fibers and make it less absorbent.
Oh, that makes sense.
And for storage, just make sure it's completely dry before you put it away and keep it in a breathable bag.
Oh, okay.
That'll help prevent mildew and musty smells.
Good tips.
So what do you think? Is the Rainleaf Microfiber Towel just a gimmick? Or could it actually be a game changer for travelers?
Hmm. I think it could be a game changer. It solves a lot of the problems of traditional towels, and it seems really versatile.
Yeah, I'm inclined to agree with you. What about you, listeners? Have you tried a microfiber travel towel?
Yeah, what did you think?
And if you had to choose one must-have feature in a travel towel, what would it be?
We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Let us know.